Hi, today in this video we show you how to create this super cute mini notebook for a back to school project or for your thought. I created this one using some origami paper, but you can create this kind of notebook using a white piece of paper. The important part is that the paper will be a square paper, so like this one, a square one. So let's get started to create this super cute mini notebook. I will use for my creation two pieces of origami paper. This part with the embellishment will be inside, so I will have outside the gray one. So we will need to fold enough our paper. Okay, and then we will need to cut this in half. Okay, we will do the same with another piece of paper. The other one will be the cover. Okay, we will need to do the same, fold in half and cut in half. Okay, perfect. Now we will need to fold in half each of these piece of paper, and then again fold in half, and then we will need to fold this part back, turn around your piece of paper and then fold back. We will have this form. Okay, we will do the same with the other piece of paper. So fold in half, and then back, fold back, turn around, and then fold back. Okay, we will have this one, the same here. We will need to create the inside part of our mini notebook. Okay, now here, and then we will glue together this piece of paper. Okay, I think I will add also this part, so I will have many pages in my mini notebook. Okay, now with some glue, I suggested that you use not the tacky glue, but something like this one that is a glue tape. It's better, more easy. We will need to glue together this part. Voila, and then here, the same here. Voila. Okay, and the same here, sorry. Okay, and the last one. Now we will need to glue together our pages. And so we will need to leave this part outside, so we will glue together these two parts in this way. Okay. Okay, voila. Then here again, sorry, okay, better in this way. Okay, voila. And then we will need to glue together this last part in this way. This will sorry, better to have this part down. Okay, voila. Okay, here we have our little mini notebook. We can glue together on the back our pages, so it will stay more, it will be more stable, more a mini notebook. Okay, voila, here our result. Now we will need to create our cover, and then we will take another piece of origami paper, in this case, or square paper, fold in half, cut in half again. We will need only 1/2 of this piece of paper, and so now we will need to fold in half again, open, and then fold in half in this way, leaving a little space in the center. We will need to leave, you can see here that we have a little space. Now here our cover. We will need to create the cover in this way. Voila. Press here in order to create this sort of spine. Voila. And then voila. Okay. And then we will need to glue together these two parts. Now, so if you want, you can glue this to this part. Now we will need to create this piece, fold in this way. Okay. And then the same on the other part, on the back cover. Okay, and here we have our cover, but we have to refine our cover because it's better to cut a little of this part. For me it's better. You can leave it in this way if you like, but I prefer to cut a little piece of paper. Now we will put together all our pieces, and then we can glue together the cover, and our mini notebook will be ready. So in this way, voila. Now here Voila, the same on the other part, and here also. Okay, and here. Voila, our mini notebook is ready. It's quite nice. Voila, and you can create many of them in many different color and ways. You can create them with white pages and put another kind of cover, and you can create bigger, but the important thing is that your piece of paper is square paper. Okay, I hope you will enjoy this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and see you next time with a new paper creation. Bye bye.